All right, guys, welcome to another video. So today we're going to talk about the best replacement battery charger for your DJI Mavic Mini. So if you're interested, stay tuned through the intro. What's up? My name is Doug, the Bearded Outdoorsman. Welcome to another video. If you enjoy beard product reviews, gear reviews, EDC videos, you have definitely come to the right channel. So today I have the DJI Mavic Mini, and this is the battery bank and charger that comes with the drone with a Fly More package. It has 3 batteries that come with it. They slide in like so. You plug in a micro USB to charge it, and it charges your 3 batteries. All right, so this is what comes with it. But a couple months ago, I was flying my drone a lot, okay? I was flying it multiple times a day, and I was going through batteries, and this would literally take all night to charge 3 batteries. I didn't have time for that. I needed more batteries. So I hopped on Amazon, and I picked up this 3 new batteries and the brick. Now, when I picked this up, it was probably around 70 bucks. I don't know what the price is now. I will have it linked in the description below, but you get the gray block, you get 3 batteries, but this one plugs in with USB-C, and I can tell you it cut my charge time in half. I guess it's the USB-C. I don't know, but I can just tell you that this one is phenomenal. I have gotten to where I quit using this, and when I have batteries that are low, after I've used them, they go in this brick to charge. I usually just put full batteries in this one just to keep them safe so they don't go everywhere. But this is awesome. If you have a DJI Mavic Mini, even if you don't fly it as much as I was flying a couple months ago, we had Hurricane Helene come through, and so I took a bunch of aerial pictures and videos of the damage. So I was flying a lot over probably a 3-week period, 4-week period. And so I definitely needed more batteries, but I was not expecting the charging block to be this awesome. So short and sweet video. I will have this linked in the description below. 3 batteries and the brick. When I got it, it was right at, I want to say 70 bucks. It may be more, it may be less now. Either way, it'll be linked in the description below from Amazon. And just make sure you get the USB-C. Everything else is the same. It is imprinted DJI. It is the exact same batteries. It works as a battery bank. It's got a USB out slot here, and it's got the USB-C input with the battery. I mean, it looks exactly the same other than the color. I'm guessing this is just an updated version from a DJI, but you can pick it up on Amazon for less than 100 bucks with 3 extra batteries. So now I have 6 batteries for my Mini, and it's awesome. So I can fly for days now. So there you go. And charge time is so much faster. It's crazy the rate of charging. I could take all 6 completely dead batteries, or maybe like 1 light on them. I can plug this one in, and I can plug this one in. This one will be done, and this one will still be on the 2nd battery. It will not even have the 2nd one full yet. So there's that. So hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to hit that thumbs up button. Do you have a DJI Mavic Mini? Even if you don't have a Mavic Mini, this would probably work for their other models. They probably have an updated one. If you have kind of an older drone, they probably have an updated charging brick with USB-C. So check that out. Yeah, there you go. So anyway, that's all I've got for today. So until next time, stay bearded. It didn't go all the way gone. We still got some. Stay bearded. Get outdoors. And God bless.